All right, hello there. This is Jen Kitzmiller with the National Weather Service in Missoula, and I have your planning briefing recorded on Thursday, September 22nd. So just a few of the key points. We do have an ongoing widespread rain event occurring across much of western Montana and north central Idaho. That is going to continue through the day today, Thursday, but should begin tapering off later tonight. As we get into Friday, we're going to be looking at some lingering clouds, showers, possibly some breezy winds, but we do have high pressure returning to the region beginning this weekend and going into at least the mid part of next week. So we'll see those trends towards warmer temperatures and drier conditions. First, just to start off, this is a look at that upper level low pressure system. The low itself is currently positioned right across northwest Montana here, and that's going to continue to bring precipitation to much of the region going into this evening. We have been placed under an excessive rainfall outlook by the Weather Prediction Center. The areas in yellow here are the areas where we really think the heaviest precipitation is going to fall. And those areas do have a slight chance of seeing some minor rockfall, maybe some mud and debris across roadways, particularly in areas where we've had recent burns. Not really expecting flash flooding, as the rainfall rates won't quite be to that level of concern, but certainly anytime you increase the amount of water falling out there, it could have some minor issues in those areas in yellow. This is a look at the forecasted precipitation amounts as of this morning through tonight. And you'll see from areas from Missoula northward to about Kalispell, down to Lookout Pass, and through Clearwater County in Idaho. Those are kind of the main focus of areas where we're expecting anywhere from ½ inch to 1 inch of rainfall. And in particular, the Mission and Swan ranges are really going to be taking the brunt of this event. As that low moves out, we get into northwest kind of upslope flow in those areas. So in that highest terrain, we could see anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of precipitation. And that's part of why we had that area highlighted in an excessive rainfall outlook. And just to show you the timing on precipitation, this is a model forecast showing what the radar might look like. Here it's just starting as of 11 a.m. today, Thursday, and you'll see much of western Montana in particular keeps that precipitation going until overnight tonight. So it looks like midnight and later we really should see that widespread precipitation come to an end. Looking out towards Friday, the low is expected to move further east into the Dakotas. Here in western Montana, north central Idaho will be left in kind of a westerly flow aloft. With all the moisture that we have coming in ahead of this here today for Thursday, we are expecting clouds to linger for a lot of the day on Friday. It'll keep things cool, possibly even some lingering showers. Certainly nothing widespread, but it may not be a completely dry forecast going into Friday. We could also see some fog or low stratus. Right now we're leaning more towards low stratus with some patchy areas of fog, but if we do happen to get some more clearing, there could be some valley fog towards Friday morning. And then also it looks a little bit breezy for Friday. Nothing overly strong, but some winds gusting up to around 20 to 25 miles per hour. Then we have high pressure returning. Looks like it's going to really strengthen over the area Sunday into Monday, probably lingering through at least mid next week, if not a little longer. So we will see that trend towards warming temperatures, and in fact by Monday, Tuesday we'll be looking at temperatures running 10 to 15 degrees above normal for this time of year. Generally, it'll be sunny to partly sunny. There is potential for a very weak wave to move through Monday night into Tuesday, and if that does occur, we think it mainly will result in some increased cloud, possibly a few showers. Nothing overly consequential, but just something to be aware of. And just to give you a look at what the temperatures and relative humidities might be looking like for next week for anyone out there trying to find burn windows. It does look like we'll be seeing temperatures approaching the upper 70s to maybe even some low 80s as we get towards Monday, Tuesday. And then here on the right is our forecast for relative humidities. So not overly dry, but still looking at maybe some 20 to low 30% range as we move into later next week. And just a quick look, this is our weather impact matrix. Other than maybe a little bit of wind on Friday, for the most part, it looks like we'll have minimal impacts related to the weather. So that's all I have for today. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know, give us a call, and otherwise our next briefing is scheduled for Sunday, September 25th.